How to roll a standard bounce house. Fold back right cone. Fold back left cone. Fold blower tubes in. Next, fold both front cones towards back of bounce house. Spread out evenly and lay out nice and flat. My kids wanted 15 seconds of fame. Now, fold back bounce house in trance. Fold back your first section using the rule of thirds. Fold over next section. Step, step, stitch. Now, it's time to twirl up. Apply weight for a tight roll. Wipe jumper clean throughout the whole roll.